G'day guys, Kevin here from Golden Dream Distilling. Got something a little bit different here today. Okay, we've got a wine kit. Okay, so these are specifically formulated, so it's just a kit. It's already got the wine and everything in it. So it's got the flavours and that in it, and you just got to add 14 litres of water, and then it is done in 5 days. And on day 5 you add in your A and B. Just cleaned up and you bottle it. So we're going to show you how to do it. And this is a Cab Sav, and it'll make 21 litres of wine at the end of it. Nice red wine. So here we go. So on the top it has your instructions. So open the flap. There's a little flap at the front here. You can actually have a feel around, and there's a little flap there. You open it up, you pull out the nozzle and unscrew the top, peel off the safety seal and pour it all in. Okay, and then we can do the same with the bag. We'll do that in a minute. Okay. It is in here somewhere. I can find it. Rightio. Unfortunately, at stage 1, we have a little boo-boo. Okay, not my boo-boo. So, anyway, we've opened at the top, just like a cheap cask of wine. Okay, but unfortunately, our little valve isn't here. So I can't feel it anywhere. So I'm just going to open up the top, find it, and we'll poke it back out through our hole.
So doing it carefully so you don't hit the bladder.
Okay. And there is our bladder. So that makes it a little bit more interesting, because I guess we're meant to get that out through that. Okie doke. So, anywho, so unscrewing the top, it does have a little safety ring in there. So just like that. So we'll pull that out. Firm pull. Give it a wiggle. So that's it. Oh, it does smell good though. It really does. So now we'll just tip it in. I might just put the lid back on, because I'm bound to go and spill it. Now in the bottom of that is our A and B by the looks of it. Okie dokies. And we go.
So just to recap, 7 litres of red wine to 14 litres of water?
Yes.
Makes 21 litres.
21 litres.
Maybe next time we could do what we do with the bottles, is put some water inside the bladder and shake it.
Yep. Okay. So what I'll do is I will put a little bit of water in there, just to go and mix it up. I'll be back. Rightio, so as you can see, we've only put 100 ml or so in there. Put the lid back on, we'll give it a good shake. We want all of that goodness. Okie dokie. Hey guys, so we'll put our grape concentrate in to our fermenting bucket, and now we're just going to add our yeast. So this is special yeast, and it takes 4 days to go and do its job. So we'll put it in, we'll give it a real good stir, and then we'll put on our lid with our bubbler. And
the yeast came in with a pack.
Yep, so the yeast came in with the pack. So, and in the pack it also had our 5-day wine kit. It also had our A and B. Okay, cheers. Does smell quite good. Rightio, so now we'll just put our lid on and we'll show you at the end. Cheers. Rightio guys, so we started off with 14 litres of water, okay, and then we've put in our grape concentrate, then we've put in our yeast, we've given it a stir, put on our lid and our bubbler. Okay, we'll come back in 4 days time where we can add our A and B and the stabiliser.